Hello and welcome to Datasar. Today I'm going to show you how to add an email box to your account at connect.datasar.com. So let's go to datasar.com. We're going to click the login button. We're already logged in, so that takes us to dashboard on the main menu. Let's go full screen. Quickly, let's go to the website button. And these are the editing tools for editing your website. We're not going to go over that today, but we're going to take a quick look at this website that we're using for demonstration purposes. It's our Hike Less Traveled website. We're going to scroll down to this post here, and just real quick, these are the reasons why you might want to add an email box: to have a separate email box for your domain, to have a regular email functionality for your domain. These are the steps that we're going to be covering in just a moment here, and these steps are going to be posted. If you're watching this tutorial video from our help site, the steps are going to be posted below the tutorial video, or if you're watching it from our YouTube channel or somewhere else, you can pause the video right here. So we're going to be going over all that. So let's tab back over, and we started off on dashboard, and to add the email box, you're going to go to the domains button on the main menu. And then to the right of your, we have two domains. So to the right of your domain, you're going to click on the settings link right here. And then after you click on settings, you click on emails. And most people will have an email forward. Now, email forward is just a forwarding email that forwards to, like I have email at hike/travel forwards to test@datasar.com. But that's just a forwarding email. The back and forth isn't going to show up as email at hike-travel.com. So you might want to create an email box. We can edit this one right here by clicking the drop down. Or what we can do is we can create a new email box. So let's create a new one. We're going to do, this time, rather than email, we're going to do support. So it's going to be support at Hike Less Traveled. You just type in support, and we're going to click the drop down, forwards to new email box, and we're going to add the email. Now we need to enter a password. And confirm. And now we add the email. Okay, so that's processing, and there it is. So let's just X this out. So we have support at Hike Less Traveled has its own email box. So we can click on this, the webmail, or click on the drop down and click on the webmail button. That takes us to the webmail where our email box is. So now we have to log in. Support at hike-less-traveled.com. That's the email user we just created, and our password. And now we're going to log in. Okay, so we're logged in to our email box, and again, let's remove this. And here's your main menu. One thing we would suggest is go to the settings down here, and then after you go to settings, go to folders, and then you might want to create a new folder. It comes loaded with inbox, drafts, sent, spam, and trash. We're going to go ahead and create a red folder, and we're just going to click save. And now we have a red, and if we wanted to add like archived, we could add one more. Let's go ahead and create one more. Archived. Save. So we added a couple more folders here. And just make sure you familiarize yourself with all of, the main menu. Click on each one. If you want to compose a mail, you do that. It's pretty simple. It's all self-explanatory. It's very easy. It works like any other, email that you use. So let's go ahead and tab back over. And that's pretty much it. But quickly, let's look at the help site, on the help button on the main menu. If you're building up your website, the featured tutorial videos is an excellent place to go. Also, the Help Center, you can find the featured tutorial videos on the Help Center too. The Help Center is help.datazar.com. The features tutorial videos are right here. You can click on Website Help, and there's a lot of different topics, including the featured tutorial videos, but it has a lot of different things. So make sure you go to help.datazar.com, and we'll just tab back over one more time, and we'll go back to Dashboard, and that's it. That's how to add an email box to your account with Datazar Connect.